Hey guys, it's Sarah here with
Olivia!
So we are going to do
Squishy versus Real Food Challenge! There are some really special squishies over here, and I think we're going to be so excited to take some home today.
I'm going to win, but she's going to lose anyway, so
Wait, do you want the food or the squishy?
I'll pick the food.
Oh! I think we should get into this.
Me too.
Let's
go
get
ahead
to
and
it.
start. Fight number one.
Alright guys, close your eyes. I'm coming. Better not peek, Sarah. Are you peeking?
Boom.
Okay, close your eyes.
Can we open it?
Are you gonna, okay, here you go. You guys can choose to switch or keep.
Oh.
Can we take?
Yep, you can open.
I'll take this one.
Okay, so she's switching.
3, 2, 1, go! Yes!
You got the food!
Yes!
Oh
That's a
my gosh. Look how good that squishy is.
I didn't want it.
Can I have a strawberry then?
Yeah, blue one.
Okay.
So yeah, I like
I'll take a
squishies.
nice fresh strawberry.
Now make it squishy, and it feels so good.
Smell it and see if it smells like a strawberry.
This? It does.
Let me smell it. Whoa! Hey! Sarah's hitting me!
Hey, next plate.
Gracie!
Are you guys ready for this?
Yes! Ma'am.
This one is so good. Alright, here we go.
Ooh. I like this one. How about we keep? Let's keep this time. Let's
Okay.
switch it up a little bit. 3, 2, 1.
That's squishy.
It's an avocado!
Avocado squishy.
Ooh, I get to eat this.
No, I think it's a point because you got a real avocado. Watch this. You can have a spoon. I just want this. You want this? I just want to dig in now. I just want to dig in.
I just want to dig in.
That's it. Next one.
Alright,
Wait,
here,
close your
I
eyes.
am.
here we go. This one's really good.
And healthy. Healthy.
Of course it's healthy.
Okay.
What do you want? Let's switch it up.
Switch it.
No, one more.
Oh. 1, 2, 3.
Yes, squishy again.
Pineapple. I love pineapple. Do you want some pineapple?
No, thank you. But I wasted, so I don't like pineapple. But I got it. Squishy.
Yeah.
It's good.
Pineapple.
Pineapple, and pineapple's really healthy. But I squeeze it, and it comes by
Oh,
itself.
it's so slow
So slow
and soft.
and soft.
So this squishy feels so soft. Like, I love pineapple, and I love pineapple squishies now. Because, look it, guys.
Guess what? Does this one remind me of being healthy?
Yeah, we're all healthy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Next one.
Next one, Gracie.
Close your eyes! Okay. I don't think your eyes are closed, Sarah.
This.
Oh.
Alright.
Okay. Open. I think we should keep. Keep. Oh, this is weird.
Yes, Gracie.
What in the world?
Yes. Yes.
A peach? Okay, at least I get to eat it.
Olivia.
I can't eat it. There's no bite marks. There are no bite marks. Look,
Gotcha.
I'm going to break my teeth, people. This is like a rock.
So I got
I've been
a peach a squishy toy. It's so cool.
Yeah. Do you like it? Is it really soft?
Yeah, it's really soft. But this is really good and fast.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna keep it.
I'm gonna keep that one.
So right now, it's 2-1.
We lost track, so how about you tell us in the comments, who do you think is winning right now? Hi! And next one! Olivia, you're peeking!
Okay, this is the last squishy versus real food, and I personally think it's the best one. Alright?
Yeah, I think so.
Here's this one, and here's this one.
Hey, we need to switch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, come on.
No, we need to switch. I know it.
No!
3, 2.
No!
You got chocolate cake!
Yeah. That one's squishy really bad.
How about you give me one slice of chocolate cake and I'll give you that squishy?
Okay.
Okay.
Right over here.
We get to eat our chocolate
Yeah!
cake! Okay.
Chocolate!
It's so good.
These are good.
Guys, this one's actually really nice. It goes up really slow. And then again, I do like the slow ones, so.
Slow rise. That's what it says on the package. Slow rise.
It's slow rise.
This one's not.
See, I like the slow ones. See, like this one?
But I don't like the fast ones.
These two are the slow ones. They feel so nice.
These is the fast. That's the fastest. And it's the fastest. See?
Mmm.
So actually the peach is my favorite. This is so pretty. And the strawberries remind me of being healthy in this too.
Oh.
So I think these are all my favorite, but except this. So I'm gonna give this one to her.
Oh, thanks, Sarah.
After this before Gracie.
Oh, okay.
Yay, we get a squishy!
Well, out of these two, I like how slow this one goes up, and it's healthy.
Well, that's it. This vlog. Comment down below if you have any more vlogs with us to do.
Well, thanks for watching.
Watching, guys. Bye.